the monotonous fans of the Scarlets and Swans, and the radio is playing Ysbryd yn Nos over and over and over and over, with Edward H. Davies, Once Is Too Much. And I don't want to witness bones singing hymns about eternal life after the graves. They want a totally selfish ticket to heaven. Or consider a talentless talent show that's popular with the public, a dearth of any spark right down the years. And inside me a hatred that's totally objective about Alan Hardinott and Glastonbury. Bad music in the background wherever you go, polluting your mind across the wavelengths. For instance, the shit on Radcliffe and Macaulay. Give me John Lydon singing Only the Lonely. How can the managers and DJs justify their income when they prepare a recipe full of vomit? Woo! You like that? Thank you very much. You can now hear that song. It's called Cerdd o'r Iaith, a dyma'r Cymraeg. No, it's not that one. It's not that one. I picked the wrong one now.
Cerdd o'r Iaith. Sŵn gym a gil, heb llawer o ddychymyg. Hen gan Max Boyce, sdim arian ac emyn. Dim ond sŵn y cyd-ganu o'r cegau diymdrech. Cefnogwyr unddonog y scarlet o'r elych. Ac mae'r radio'n chwarae ysbryd y nos. Drosodd a drosodd a drosodd a drosodd. Efo Edward H. Davies mae unwaith yn ormod. Asai am fod yn dyst I esgyrn yn canu ymynau am fywyd tragwyddol ar ôl ei beddau. Mae dam tocynnau cwbl unanol i'r nefoedd. Neu cymrwch sioe dalent heb talent sy'n boblogaeth gan y cyhoedd. Diffyg unrhyw sparc reit lawr y blynyddoedd. A ti mewn fi casineb sy'n gwbl gwsrychol am Alan Hardinott a thugging Glastonbury. Music gwael yn y cefndir, Stefan ac chi'n mynd I, yn llygrin eich meddwl, ar draws y tonfeddau, enghraifft y cachu a Radcliffe a Macaulay. Rowch I ni John Lydon yn canu Only the Lonely. Sut mae'r reolwyr a'r DJs gallu cyfiawnhau eu cyflog pan maent yn darparu y cyfog.
Okay, that was called Cerdd o'r Iaith. Sorry about the glitch at the beginning. And finally, for the time being, I'm going to read the final track on the album, which is called Teimlad Dau, which means feelings. In bygone times, everybody knelt and spoke to God by thinking and praying. But nowadays, the world has been shaped with the propaganda of television and radio. The computers of leisure hours or work. Things are so different to the years that went by. And I remember suffering Michael Portillo and the government that included Giles Brandreth, Anne Widdicombe and Edwina Curry. Somehow now they're acceptable in the media, but I haven't forgiven them. Everyone's seasons move towards winter. Years fly by and we're still here, okay? Me, I enjoy my paths of solitude with my own company most of the time. When I do venture out to buy a drink, I see people with their dogs fouling the pavements. The odd drink is a good way to kill time, but nothing much happens in the tavern to keep an interest. I watch the cars go by with their drivers full of tension, flying like fools for their pension pots. So I raise my drink to the funeral of Thatcherism before buying another with the government's money.